What up, y'all? You want to get paid to scan receipts? This is the app that you need to have. It's called Coin Out. The link will be in the description. Sign up today. Any receipt that you get, doesn't matter where it comes from, doesn't matter how much you spend, doesn't matter. Just take a picture of it and you will get credited for it. They accept every single receipt. I mean, you take a picture of it, simple as that. It takes 2 seconds to process and the money goes automatically into your balance. I have $5 here. I could cash it out. All you need is like $1 to cash out in this site. So I mean, on this app. So I mean, it's really easy to use. I'm gonna show you some of the things that I've gotten paid for. I click on this money sign right here. Show you some of the receipts that I've already gotten paid for. As soon as it loads up real quick, see here all these receipts. I got 3 cents for that one, 3 cents for that one, 3 cents, 1 cent. The minimum you'll get is 1 cent, 5 cents. Click on view all receipts. Show me all of them. All these different receipts. Now it doesn't pay a lot. You know, every now and then you'll get a big one like, 10, 15 cents, but most of them are like between 1 to 5 cents. You know what I'm saying? Every single receipt, just scan them and you'll get paid for it instantly. I mean, it's very, very easy. Very easy to use. Just take a picture of your receipt. Like I said, it'll process immediately. You see here, I got $5 in my account. You can get paid with a gift card. You can go straight to your bank or PayPal. So, I mean, the app is called Coin Out. The link will be in the description. Sign up and just start taking pictures of your receipt. You know what I'm saying? Free money. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes, most people throw receipts away. But when you have an app that's going to pay you for a receipt, all you got to do is take a picture of it real quick. It takes 5 seconds. So you get credit for it, then you can throw it away. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you can find, receipts, that you forgot about, lost or lost in the car or whatever. You take a picture of them, get credited for it. Easy as that. You know what I'm saying? Easy money. Just taking a picture of a receipt doesn't get any better than that. So, like I said, download it today. The link is in the description and get paid for every single receipt that you have. All right. And the most important thing to remember, every penny counts.